All right, the town's population grew by 600,000 people over 10 years, and that was 1/5 more than they thought. So this is saying that this number is bigger than they originally thought. I'm going to let X be the number that they originally thought it was going to grow by. So if they thought it was going to grow by 600,000, X would be equal to 600,000. But 600,000 is actually 1/5 more. So the way that I think about this is, if it was equal, then that would just be X times nothing, or 1, which would be, I'm going to make a little like side thought over here. So 5, because we're talking about fifths, 1 is equal to 5/5. So 1/5 more would be, so 5/5 plus 1/5 is equal to 6/5. So the way that again, just to reiterate, so if the predicted population growth was equal to what it actually was, we would just have this and we'd be done, 600,000. But they're saying that the 600,000 is 1/5 more. So we're going to take the number that they originally thought, and 1 would be equal to 5/5 over here, right? But 1/5 more would be multiplying by 6/5. So we'll multiply X, what they originally thought, by 6/5. All right. So now we can just solve for X. The opposite of multiplying by 6/5 is dividing by 6/5, or multiplying by the reciprocal. So we'll multiply both sides by 5/6. The reciprocal is just the fraction flipped. And the reason that we do that, and we have to do that to both sides, times 5/6, is that 5/6 and the 6/5 will cancel out. So 5 cancels, 6 cancels, and we're left with X. And then if we do 5 times 600,000 over 6, so we can write that out, times 600. I'm just multiplying these two fractions. This is like over 1 because it's a whole number. Over 6. 600,000 divided by 6 is just 100,000. So we can cancel that out, make that a 1. Or you could actually multiply this out if you want. I'll show you another way. So 5 times 100,000, because our 6 is canceled out, gives us 500,000. Another way, if we didn't do that, so 5 times 600,000. So 5 times 6 is 30, so we end up with 300,000. And then divided by 6, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So we're left with 500,000 again. So just to write it out, 30, and then add our 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, divided by 6. Okay, that's just multiplying this out again, just doing it a different way. 300,000 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5, so 500,000 is our answer.